In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prime Gaming Twitch sub. First, make sure your Amazon Prime, Prime Gaming, and Twitch accounts are linked. In a desktop browser, head to Prime Gaming at gaming.amazon.com, sign in with your Amazon account, and follow the prompts to connect your Twitch account. Once you've linked them, they usually stay connected, so you won't have to repeat this each time. Then, find the channel you want. Open twitch.tv in a browser. Desktop is recommended for the smoothest experience. Sign in with the same Twitch account you just linked and search for the streamer you want to support. They need to be a partner or affiliate to accept subscriptions. On their channel page, click Subscribe. In the subscription pop-up, look for the option labeled Use Prime Sub, often marked with a small crown icon. Check that box, then confirm Subscribe with Prime. Your subscription applies instantly, and you'll see the perks right away, like custom emotes, a subscriber badge, and any chat privileges the channel offers. If you don't see the Use Prime Sub checkbox, try a quick refresh or sign out and back in. Make sure you're doing this in a web browser rather than the mobile app, since apps may hide that option. Also confirm the channel is eligible. Only partners and affiliates can accept subs. And remember, you get one Prime channel subscription per month. If you already used it this cycle, the Prime option won't appear until your monthly benefit resets. Keep in mind, your free Prime subscription does not auto-renew. If you want to stay subscribed to the same streamer, you'll need to come back each month and repeat the process. Or you can switch your Prime sub to a different eligible channel whenever your monthly window resets. A few helpful notes before we wrap up. Your Prime Gaming benefit includes one free Twitch channel subscription per month, and it doesn't roll over if you skip a month. After you subscribe, you keep the perks until the end of that subscription period. A desktop browser reliably shows the Prime checkbox, and is the easiest way to manage this. Setting a reminder on your calendar can help you remember to reapply the sub each month so you don't miss out on benefits or supporting your favorite creator. That's all you need to use your Prime Gaming Twitch sub smoothly and make the most of a benefit you already have with Amazon Prime.